Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, go. They do not go to school. They do not go to school. Second, eat. I do not eat mangoes. I do not eat mangoes. 3. Sleep. Father has slept now. Fourth, learn. I learn my lesson. Number 5, take. Father never takes coffee. Number 6, rise. The sun rises in the east. 7, read. Father reads the Ramayana. 8th, eat. We have eaten the mangoes. 9, waste. These boys never waste their time. 10th, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. 11th, fruit. Mango is my favorite fruit. 12, fly. Birds fly in the sky. 13, beautiful. Rose is a beautiful flower. 14, pluck. The children pluck the flower. 15th, song. She sung a song. She sang a classical song. 16th, great. You are a great food. 17, get. He gets up early in the morning. 18th, laugh. He laughs too much. 19, go. Mohan to his village. 20. Market. I go to market with my father. Thanks for watching.